If you want to turn casual viewers into subscribers with a single click, here is how to create an auto subscription link for your channel. Welcome to Rich Beat Guides. Let's get straight into it. First, head over to your main YouTube channel homepage. Look up at the address bar and copy your standard channel URL, which should include your handle or username. Open up a new tab and paste your link. Now add this exact modifier to the very end of your URL with no spaces. $sub sub underscore confirmation equals 1. Make sure there is an underscore, not a dash. The moment the page loads, it will automatically prompt the viewer with a box asking them to confirm their subscription before they even see your content. The best way to use this link is to paste it into the description of every video you upload and pin it as the top comment on your channel. Anyone who scrolls down to the comment will see a direct call to action to join your community. If this quick fix saved you some time, smash that like button and subscribe to Rich B Guides so you always have a tech toolkit right in your feed. See you in the next one.